Hello ladies, hello gents, thank you for being here today. My name is Miraskeda and on today's video we are going to be decorating this tree. As you can see, I have fluffed it, but I still need to do a little bit of fluffing, that way it is fuller. So for the theme of today, I'm trying to go with blush and white. But before we dive right in, let us just get into the Christmas spirit. This candle smells so good. I got this candle from Ross and I've just been waiting for the right time to use it. Come on, light up. And for the beverage, I have a cup of coffee right now. Be still and know that I am God. How cool is that? So while we have that rolling, first, I've had this for a while now. I got it from Home Goods, but I always have this wreath somewhere around the fireplace. But today I'm trying to incorporate it in the tree. Let's see how it looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to hook it. Since it has a hook, I'll hook it on the back so it doesn't fall off. And this makes the tree fuller and give it some kind of style, you know. So you see that it's hanging. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to tie it right here in the back. Same thing I did over there. That way it doesn't fall off, because this is an attachment and I don't want it falling off when we start decorating. We're going to start with the flowers first. That way we can fill it up. When we do fill them, then we can go ahead with the ornaments. And I believe I got this flower from Michael's. So what I did this year is I'm using all the ornaments and all the flowers that I've had before and just trying to, you know, recycle or without buying anything. And I'm really proud of myself for not buying anything this year. I'm just using all what I used, but then styling it differently. Normally when you store your ornaments or your Christmas decorations, they tend to get squashed. So by the time you want to take them out and put it in the tree, you want to open them up and fluff them. I guess by now you all know that I love fur, so we're going to go with this one up here. And then the next one, we're going to put it right here. This one I got from Michael's as well, but the fourth one I think I got that from Ross. So we're going to go in with the other ones. This one, I'm just trying to make this place get full. Put another 4 right over here. Make sure you try to cover the spaces. How's that looking, babe?
It's a bit.
Okay. If you notice, I'm going in with all the whites. That way we can just pluck in the gold. So this was not pre-planned. What I'm doing is I'm just working with my brain and you guys at this time, just to see how it's going to look. This is actually a 7.5 feet tree, so it's not that tall as compared to the one I have in the family room. So next we're going to try to fill in this empty space that is right here, and we'll be using this bunch. Bunch is from Michael's. I think I got this for $20. I'm going to try to fit it in. Make sure it blends in properly. So now we're gonna go in with the goats. Love this boss. She is so pretty. Look at it. Wow. First, I'm gonna put it here. So next up, I'm going to go with the tree topper, this reindeer. The reason why I'm putting the tree topper right now, when I'm not yet done decorating, is because I want to be able to see how to fill in the spaces that I've left. That way it doesn't just stand up there really lonely. So let's go do that. Dang, my wrist hurts. So now that we have this figured out, we're going to try to fill in the spaces. So I have this, and I'm gonna put it up here. Dang, this is enough for short people. I'm gonna skip to the other side. So you can actually take this out if you want it longer, or you can fold it up and just make something any shape that you want. So I'll prepare it like a bowl. I'm gonna put this over here. So now we want to fill in the spaces that are left. So for the next one, we're going to go ahead and put these. Same one on the side. So we're keeping this gold and white. Like these humans make lemonade. So I read this and now I can fit it in here. So now we're gonna go over to the other side and we're gonna give this some love. Just to put this right here. Those leaves, we're going to put them over here just to balance it out. Actually shatterproof from at home, $4.99. So I have these hooks. These are the leftover hooks from last year, and I'm gonna use them for the balls. right here from Z Gallery, and they were $5 a piece. See here. That looks so pretty. I love this one.
Ding dong, ding, them bells are playing loud and clear. Dong, ding
So next we're
dong,
going
they're
in
saying
with the tree
it's that
skirt.
time of
And
year.
I'm gonna put this at the bottom.
For dreams of snow and stolen kisses neath the mistletoe. For kids from 1 to 96 with eyes and hearts aglow. Ding dong, bells they chime, for now it's Christmas time.
Next I'm gonna go in with this. Just make it a full.
Angels in the snow. Chestnuts.
And I have these that I got from, I think it's Home Goods. I'm gonna go with this one right here. It actually lights up, but I think I have to change the batteries.
Listen to the same old songs 1,000 times and more. Ding dong, bells they chime.
So this is just a decorative lion head. I'm just gonna eat here since it matches the theme, gold and white. So I'm just gonna put. Next I have the boxes. I'm gonna put them on the frame. I want to fade them out, that way they look really full and pretty.
Ding dong, ding, them bells are ringing clear and bright. Dong, ding, doggone bells they ring throughout the night.
That
You
was diamonds, I
spouse
think.
of kin and child of sibling, come and gather near.
Put this one here.
Eat and drink, invade my house like every single year. Ding dong, drive me insane, it's Christmas time again.
Just put the chop.
Choirs, angels in the snow.
Chopping it.
Chestnuts, open fires, right from long
My
ago.
nutcracker.
Hark the herald, all ye faithful, golden days of yore.
There you have it. So for this pillow, I actually got it, I don't know if from Costco or from Ross, but I got this brush separately and I just put it on there just to make it look a little bit pretty. And there you have it.
We dream of snow and stolen kisses neath the mistletoe to celebrate that time of war 2,000 years ago. Ding dong, bells they chime, for now it's Christmas time. Ding dong, ding, them bells are ringing clear and bright. Dong, ding, doggone bells they ring throughout the night. You spouse of kin and child of sibling, come and gather near. Eat and drink, invade my house like every single year. Ding dong, drive me insane, it's Christmas time again.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell, that way you know when we do have new uploads. And you can follow this Christmas tree to decorate. Thank you guys for going through this with me. I will have one. Bye.